We're taking the bicycles to the Lehigh Gorge State Park this morning. Come on. Where are my bicycle pants? Why, where are they? Nope. No, not in the laundry room. Nope. I even looked under the couch. Not there. I don't know. I've tried everywhere. So, I can't find my bicycle pants, and that means riding a bicycle hurts more. So I'm just going to load up the car, get something to eat, and we'll have to deal with it. Okay, so once again, my wife pulls me out of the fire. While I'm looking for my pants, I actually put them in my laundry bag. Sometimes I'm the scariest person I know. So I'm once again saved by my wife, and it's time to ride. The Lehigh Gorge Trail is 25 miles long. It's near Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. You can picnic there, and you can ride along the abandoned railroad bed on your bikes and see wildlife, amazing rock formations, there's waterfalls, you name it. If you're ever in the area, I highly recommend you check this area out. It's beautiful. Hope you enjoy these few minutes of what we saw.